Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Sew and Craft It. In this video, this is really an update to let you know what's been going on. Because I'm sure some of you are wondering, she hasn't put any content out there. She said she's going to do this and we've not seen it. Well, first of all, let me thank all my subscribers out there for subscribing with me, first of all, and following me. Unfortunately, I fell foul of the cardinal rule of backing up. Yes, all my recordings and videos that I did over the past few months, I did on a little SD card, which I don't know how or what happened, but when I popped it into my PC, it could not be read. As much as taking and running around to shops to try and get to recover the data that was on there, unfortunately, it was unrecoverable. So not to say the least, I cried for days. And to tell you the truth, I'm still crying inside now. But I've pulled myself together and I am massively, massively playing catch up to recreate some of the videos that I've actually done, especially the session 1, part 2, using sewing on your sewing machine. That is the one that I'm working on right now, because I know a lot of you are excited to actually see the second part of that, or waiting to see the second part of that. And it was actually coming in 3 parts, but I am actually going to add an additional part to that. So there'll be 4 parts into this video. And I'm hoping to really get the part 2 out before the end of October. So guys, thank you for subscribing. I've loved your comments. Some of you have actually sent me emails as well. One of the things I've actually realised that I do want to actually do is that those that have bought a U10 machine, I've had little problems with needles and maintenance, things like that. So once I've got the using and sewing on your machine out of the way, I will actually look at doing a problem solving on the U10 machine as well. So do stay tuned. Do stay with me. I am coming back at you. I've also got a review on a mini sewing machine. I must admit that was probably the only one that I did pack up. So I'm going to go through and actually start editing that as well. But thank you guys for subscribing. Keep your comments flowing. I do actually enjoy the banter. I really do. And that's all I've got to say. Yeah, I'm still a bit sort of welled up about it. I really am. But let me get off here, because the longer I'm sitting on here, then I can't get in and actually doing my editing and recording for the projects, well, especially for session 1, part 2. So thank you for listening. Bye for now. Stay safe. I'll see you in my next video.